Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your YouTube watch history. So I have the YouTube here, guys, and in order to delete the watch history, first you have to ensure that you sign into your YouTube account. So you want to sign in, and at the upper right hand side you'll be able to see once you click on your account that you're signed in. Now the next thing is to look towards the left hand side, and you will find a section that says you, and below that you have a bunch of options. You want to click on history from here, and here you will find all of your watch history, guys. So everything that you've watched in the past is going to be shown here. You can easily delete a single video. So let's say I want to delete a single video, you can click the X towards the right hand side of that video and you can delete it. So that's how you can easily delete a single video. And if you want to delete your entire history, you can simply look towards the right hand side and you have clear watch history or clear all watch history. You click on that, you have the pop-up and it says clear watch history. You click on this button and this is going to clear all your watch history. And as you can see here, my watch history is now gone. If I click on the YouTube logo on the upper left hand side and go back to home, you can see that there's no watch history. It's clear, and I can start fresh by searching for whatever I want. So if at any point in time you notice that your YouTube homepage or your dashboard or the recommended videos that are recommended to you on YouTube is just getting out of control, you want to clear them, deleting your watch history might be the best option for you so that you can start fresh again. And I know how easy it is to just start wandering away and watch all different kind of stuff on the YouTube, especially when you have kids. You start watching cartoons, you start watching this, you start watching sports, you start watching all different kind of stuff on your YouTube account, and it just started to get out of control. So clearing it up, deleting your watch history is always a good way to get back to basic, right? So that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.